horrific news, of course. We've been reporting on the death of the senior official from the Finance Ministry. These are pictures coming in, are the first images of Delhi's deadly BMW crash. A speeding BMW rammed into Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's top aide there. These are pictures from the very moment when this accident took place. On camera, the crash that killed the top Finance Ministry official. The victim was then taken to a hospital which was 19 kilometers away. The killer BMW crash caught on camera. The BMW turned turtle after the crash. The Finance Ministry official and his wife were in fact returning home after visiting Bangla Sahib Gurdwara in Delhi city when the bike was hit by a BMW car. The very moment when the accident took place, the car toppled over completely. I'm going to go across straight, in fact, to Shreya Chatterjee for more details. These pictures coming in, Shreya, in fact, giving us an idea about the horrific accident that took place there. I mean, the impact of that accident that left the entire car, completely in a total position.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. It is an absolutely unfortunate incident that took place in that Delhi-Kant stretch when we moved towards Dhaulakua, towards Rajouri Garden. And we saw those visuals, really disturbing visuals that is coming in of the BMW car. It was in heavy speed. It toppled after it hit and it rammed into that bike. And unfortunately, Navjot Singh lost his life. We can see those visuals of both of them lying down. It's only later we are being told that along with the accused and the victim, they were taken to a hospital 19 kilometers away, which is in another district. We're talking about Southwest District. We have multiple hospitals nearby. The immediate response in such accident incidents is to give in first aid, and that could be a life savior. But you're wasting time for 19 kilometers in another district. So that is the particular reason why the Delhi police have also slapped destruction of evidence and death by negligence in this particular matter. Interestingly, I've also spoken with the son of the victim, and he's saying that the mother regained consciousness and it was her who informed them. There was no call from anywhere. The mother apparently also requested them to take them to a better hospital nearby, but no one paid in any heed. It was in an Omni van, which is a delivery Omni van, is where they was taken away. No ambulance, no support, no immediate first aid. Extreme shocker that is coming in from the national capital. The police is right now investigating the matter, and they have also said that the police was also not informed by the accused family members. It was only later that they got to know that this was a different hospital, because initially when they reached the spot, they tried to locate the victims in nearby hospitals but couldn't find any. There was also allegations of altering a medico-legal report. All these things have transpired. We are being told that the victim will be discharged today. In all likelihood, she will be arrested immediately after that.
Get a sense from you on, of course, the family is saying that, Shreya, that why 19 kilometers, and these are questions that due course of investigation will answer. But talk to us a little about who then took him to the hospital. How was he taken? The wife also, in fact, I understand, is battling for her life, is with serious injuries, isn't it, Shreya?
Well, yes, Navjot's wife is also battling for injuries. She's now been shifted to another private hospital in Dwarka, where she underwent a surgery this morning. That's been confirmed to us by her son itself. It's extremely unfortunate. They were coming back from a regular visit that they usually pay to the Bangla Sahib Gurudwara, and on the way back, this incident took place. The shocking part, and I will actually quote the exact words that Navjot's son told me. He said that the collision may have been an accident, but what transpired after that was a murder. And that indeed puts on a question that you could have saved the lives of one individual by giving immediate response. But unfortunately, there are multiple angles that are coming in right now, which is also suggesting that probably the hospital where they were treated is close to or belongs to someone who who's close to the woman, the accused in this particular matter, Gaganpreet Makkar. These are all accusations that are coming in right now. All will be probed by the Delhi police. But clearly, as Navjot's son said, I probably agree with him that the collision may have been an accident, but whatever transpired, taking the victims who's been hit fatally in a delivery Omni van, no ambulance, 19 kilometers away, that in itself puts a big question of a cover-up that was also being trying to done.
The pictures coming in, Shreya, I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now when that accident took place. You know, if you could also tell us a little about, you know, these look like, in fact, I think, you know, onlookers who were there at the very moment when this accident took place. And these pictures that we have, it does look like they're trying to pull, in fact, Shreya, doesn't it, the driver out of the BMW car. Also investigation to be done on whether this car was overspeeding or not as well, for the manner in which it's turned completely total.
Well, its initial preliminary investigation suggests that it was speeding. It actually hit the biker, then it hit a DTC bus, and then it toppled. And you can see the bike was also, lying down so close. In that visual, you can see the impact was such that all the airbags opened, and the onlookers were trying to get all of them out. And what is still unclear, that who were the ones who took the decision of taking the victim and the accused 19 kilometers away. That is probably the chain of event that the Delhi police will now interestingly look into, because Gaganpreet Makkar, the accused in this particular matter, the lady who was driving the car, has been in the hospital since yesterday after this incident took place. She's yet to be arrested or questioned by Delhi police. We are being confirmed that once she's discharged today, the regular procedure for her arrest and the subsequent investigation will be done by the Delhi police.